Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's up? It is Softail Saturday. Yes, it's all about the Softails this weekend. Do you know that with Harley-Davidson Flex financing that you can buy a Softail 36 months, zero down, and you can either pay it off, trade it in, or return it at the end. So there's no reason at all why you can't get yourself on one of these Softails with our Flex financing. Come on in, take a test ride. It's going to be a beautiful Saturday to be out on the bike. We also have the Iron Guardians are going to be here grilling up some dogs, so make sure you come out and see them. We got some kick-ass house music playing. We got vendors coming out. We're going to be here. All we need is you. Come out and join us. Also, make sure you get your miles validated for Ride for Heroes. That way we can update you and see what kind of milestones you're at. You could be missing out on some free stuff. And Rolling Arkansas is going on. So we'll be here signing you up for Rolling Arkansas as well. So again, another kick-ass Saturday at American Eagle. Remember, our whole front is covered. We got some big-ass fans. And you're going to be totally shaded. So we don't care how hot it is because it'll be cooler underneath our awning. So come out and join us. Softail Saturday going on this Saturday. We will see you when you get here.